Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having valuable features in high demand with these ratings. Make a great choice today with the 2024 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, rear step bumper, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, hill descent control, heated mirrors, chrome wheels, alloy wheels, remote engine start, brake assist. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, heated front seats, security system, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control, trip computer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.